Need to verify your identity on Wise. Whether you're sending money internationally or receiving payments, Wise requires identity verification to keep your transactions secure. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can verify your identity on Wise. So let's get started. So first, go ahead and log in or register for an account on Wise. So to be able to register for an account, click on that register button, and in here you just need to provide your email address that you want to use for your Wise account. Make sure that you have access to this email address, since you'll need to confirm that you own this email address before you can proceed on creating an account. Once you have verified your email address, go ahead and select the account type that you want to open for that email address, the country where you're currently residing, since that will be very helpful for verifying your identity. Now in here you can find the services that you can actually avail for having a Wise account, and click on that continue button to continue with the next step. So once you click on that continue button, that will take you in this section. So as you can see, you can find what not you can do on Wise. Click on that agree and continue button to agree with their terms and conditions, and then here you just need to provide your phone number. Wise will send a code to that phone number, and you need to verify that before you can proceed on setting up your account creation and password for Wise. So to begin the verification process of your identity, you'll need to head over into your account settings and click on verify your identity. Wise will prompt you to submit personal details and upload ID. Wise will ask for some basic details including your full legal name, date of birth, residential address, and phone number. Make sure everything matches your legal documents to avoid delays. Now you need to upload a valid government issued ID. Wise accepts passport, national ID card, and driver's license. So after that, for security reasons, Wise may ask you to take a live selfie or record a short video selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure your face is well lit and visible. Avoid wearing hats, glasses, or masks, and this will help Wise confirm that you are a real account owner. Once you've submitted your documents, Wise will review them. Verification usually takes a few hours, but in some cases, it can take up to 2 business days. So you receive a notification email once your identity is verified, and that's it. Your identity is now verified on Wise, and you're ready to send and receive money securely. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.